How to duplicate objects in Figma. Duplicating object, or let's say elements, is a fundamental skill that can really speed up your design workflow. So let's jump right in. Before we dive into how to, let's talk about why. So why you might want to duplicate objects, whether you are creating multiple buttons, icons, or any other designed elements. Duplicating saves you time and ensures consistency throughout your design. It's a game changer. So now let's get into the nitty-gritty. There are a few easy ways to duplicate object in Figma. So one of the quickest ways, it's almost like a hack, is that it's just a shortcut. So you can simply use your key on a keyboard. If you're a Mac user, you can simply hit that Command plus D, or if you're a Windows user, you can simply tap in Control T. This creates an exact duplicate right on top of the original. So let's try it. So I'm using Windows, so let's tap into the object first, and let's tap in Control D, and it will create a duplicate right on top. As you can see, you can simply shift it and put it wherever you want it to be, like this. So let's say I want to make use like another way. It would be more of like this would be more of like, if you prefer a hands-on approach, you can also duplicate by dragging. So let's say first click into the shape and hold on to the Option key on Mac or like Windows. If you're a Windows user, then simply tap in the Alt key, hold on to that key, and simply drag, click and drag to create a duplicate on a desired location. You can create as many duplicates as you want, like this, like this. Just make sure that you're holding onto the Alt key or the Option key. So there you go. This is how you do it. It's a game changer, I'm telling you guys. So when duplicating, you also might want to maintain that consistent spacing. Like as you can see, before I was just randomly posting it wherever I want. But if you want the consistent spacing, you can simply, let's duplicate this again by holding the Alt and putting it over here. So as you can see, it's not that aligned. If you want to make it more aligned, you can simply, after duplicating, hold onto the Shift key, and while dragging to keep your object aligned with the grid or other elements. So as you can see, now it has created the grid. You can simply place it here as it's more like aligned. And sorry, I just slipped. So there you go. It's perfect. So that's it. Now you know all the ways to duplicate object in Figma. Practice these techniques in your design to improve your workflow and make your design process more efficient. So that's it. Thanks for watching and happy designing. See you in the next video.